So in this video, we're required to simplify this particular algebraic expression, all right? So the first thing we need to do is to rewrite this equation. Now, the reason why we need to rewrite it is because this pattern must follow. If this is raised to power 3, then the next term to it must be raised to the power of 2. So we assume that the next term has been multiplied by what? 0. So what do I mean? I can say that 2x raised to power 3 minus 15x plus 9 is the same thing as 2x raised to power 3, right, plus or minus something 0x square, right, minus 15x plus what? 9. Either plus or minus, it will still give you the same result. So meaning that that particular term that is multiplied by, that is raised to the power of 2 has been multiplied by 0. So this is what we are going to be using in dividing, not this. So this and this are still the same. So now let's introduce that division in a long division method. So it's going to be like this. All right. So we now have what? 2x raised to power 3 plus 0x square minus 15x plus 9. Then divided by x plus what? 3. Okay. So x in 2x cubed, that's 2x cubed divided by x, that will give us what? 2x square. So we have 2x square. Then 2x square times x, that's 2x cubed. Then 2x square times 3, that is plus what? 6x square. So the next thing is we subtract. So if we subtract, this minus will affect everything here, right? So we now have what? 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that is 0, minus times plus, that's minus 0 minus 6x squared, that is minus what? 6 what? X squared. So the next thing is for us to bring what down? Minus 15x, right? Minus 15 what? X. So the next thing is x in minus 6x squared. It's just like saying minus 6x squared divided by x. That will give us what? Minus what? 6x. Then minus 6x times x, that will give us minus 6x what? Square. Minus 6x times 3, that is what? Minus what? 18x. So what do? We subtract again. So if we subtract, minus times minus plus, minus 6x squared plus 6x squared, that is 0. Minus times minus again, that is plus, right? Minus 15x plus 18x, that will be what? Plus what? 3 what? Plus 3x. So the next thing is to bring plus 9 down, that is plus what? 9. So let me scroll up. So this one will now give us x in 3x. That's 3x divided by x. That will be what? Plus 3. Then 3 times x, that will give us what? 3x. Then 3 times 3, that is what? 9. So what do? We subtract. So 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So now, in presenting this answer in quotient remainder form, we can say that the quotient in this case is what? That's 2x squared minus 6x plus 3. 2x squared minus 6x plus 3. Then the remainder in this case is go towards 0. So basically, what we are actually looking for is the quotient, all right? So I want to believe this video has helped someone, all right? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.